modern food. The hidden secret behind premium Katsuobushi. Wait, is that mud? Is it really safe to eat? That's a very natural reaction. But in the case of Katsuobushi, the mud is exactly what makes it a premium ingredient. Today, I'll show you how this invisible rock of fermentation creates a deep umami of Japanese cuisine. Section 1. Good mold. The mold used in Katsuobushi is called Eurotive, also known as Katsuobushi koji mold. It belongs to the same family of microorganisms used to make miso and soy sauce. In fact, this mold is carefully cultivated and controlled. Only selected beneficial strains are intentionally introduced during production. So, rather than something to fear, it is something deliberately used to enhance flavor. Section 2. What does a mold do? There are three key effects. 1. Preservation. The mold absorbs moisture from the fish. This dries the interior completely, allowing Katsuobushi to be preserved for years without spoiling. 2. Umami enhancement. The mold produces enzymes. These enzymes break down proteins into amino acid, the source of umami. This is where the deep, layered flavor begins to develop. 3. Clean, refined dashi. The mold also breaks down fats. As a result, dashi made from fermented Katsuobushi is clear, light, and elegant, with no excess oil. Section 3. Fermentation and Japanese cuisine. Fermentation is at the heart of Japanese food culture. Koji, miso, soy sauce, mirin, and Katsuobushi all rely on the power of microorganisms. The word mold may sound negative, but in Japan, it has been refined into something precise, something intentional, something essential. The bowl of soup in front of you contains more than flavor. It carries the quiet rock of fermentation and the generations of accumulated knowledge, Katsuobushi, an ingredient shaped by time and microorganisms. If you'd like to explore more about Katsuobushi and umami, please consider subscribing. Have a flavorful day.